When choosing a replacement door, many homeowners focus on style and color, but in Layton, weather should be one of your top considerations. As you can see above, the area experiences a mix of cool, wet days, temperature swings, and periods of sunshine. These changing conditions directly impact how well your door performs over time. Selecting the right door means choosing one that can handle everything from chilly mornings to warm afternoons and occasional storms. One of the most important factors is temperature fluctuation. Layton weather can shift quickly, with cooler days followed by warmer ones. These changes cause materials to expand and contract. If your door isn't built to handle this movement, it can warp, crack, or lose its seal. Fiberglass and steel doors are excellent choices because they maintain their shape and integrity despite these shifts, ensuring long-term durability. Insulation is another critical element. During colder days, a poorly insulated door can allow heat to escape, making your home feel uncomfortable and increasing heating costs. On warmer days, the same issue allows heat to enter, putting extra strain on your cooling system. An insulated door with a solid core helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, making your home more comfortable year-round in Layton's variable climate. Moisture resistance is also essential. With rain and occasional snow in the forecast, your door must be able to withstand water exposure. Doors that absorb moisture can swell, warp, or develop rot over time. Fiberglass and steel doors are designed to resist these issues, making them a reliable option for homes in Layton. Proper sealing and weather stripping further protect your home by preventing water from seeping in around the edges. Wind is another factor that can influence your door choice. Seasonal storms and breezy days can create pressure against your entryway. A well-built door with a reinforced frame and secure locking system helps keep your home protected. Multi-point locking systems not only improve security but also ensure the door remains tightly sealed against drafts and wind intrusion. Sun exposure is something homeowners shouldn't overlook either. Layton experiences plenty of sunny days, and prolonged UV exposure can cause certain materials to fade or deteriorate. Choosing a door with a UV-resistant finish helps maintain its appearance and prevents damage over time. This ensures your door continues to look great while standing up to the elements. Energy efficiency ties all of these factors together. A door that can handle temperature swings, resist moisture, and maintain a tight seal will naturally perform better. This leads to lower energy bills and a more comfortable indoor environment. In Layton, where both heating and cooling are important, investing in an energy-efficient door is a smart long-term decision. Weather stripping and proper sealing are also crucial. These components help block out drafts, moisture, and outdoor air. In a climate like Layton's, where conditions can change quickly, a tight seal ensures your home remains protected in every season. High-quality weather stripping keeps your door performing efficiently no matter what the weather brings. Durability should always be a top priority. Your door is constantly exposed to the elements, so it needs to be built to last. Choosing materials that resist warping, cracking, and corrosion ensures your door continues to perform well over time. This reduces maintenance needs and helps protect your investment. Of course, style still matters. The good news is that modern replacement doors offer a wide range of designs that combine durability with visual appeal. Whether you prefer a classic or contemporary look, you can find a door that complements your home while still meeting the demands of Layton's climate. Finally, professional installation plays a major role in performance. Even the best door won't deliver results if it's not installed correctly. Proper installation ensures a tight fit, secure frame, and reliable seal, all essential for handling Layton's weather conditions. Ultimately, your replacement door should do more than enhance your home's appearance, it should protect it. By considering Layton's weather patterns, you can choose a door that delivers comfort, efficiency, and long-term reliability.